Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So Bitcoin shows surprising action, shows real strength, and that led us to suggest that market should continue the upward action. Somewhere in the future, the deep retracement still has to happen, just because of the really strong bearish momentum that we have here, and that is our first upward action, significant upward action since the top. So during the whole this downward action, we haven't got the upward action of the scale. As in terms of the length in time, so as you can see, significantly more candles and wicks have passed with this upward action compared to any other upward action that we saw on this downward action. As in terms of the value of this upward action, what's really important here on the weekly is that market has passed through the major strong confidence resistance in 45 even. That was very important moment, because actually this area splits the chart on the two parts. So actually that was, you can see, this natural support resistance that acts on the market within more than a year. So you can see the support here, it's all the time support, breakout, now it should be resistance, but market has broken it through. It means that now we could focus on the next destination point, which is 85 even on the weekly chart. Market is not oversold on the weekly chart, so you can see that overbought stands significantly high. So market here has relatively free space where it could continue move higher, and here we start to watch for a bullish reversal swing. It means that market should take it out of the 85 even. As will be bullish reversal swing, and after that it's very probable that we could get some pullback, because take a look here, you could recognize possible head and shoulders shape, because here the extension to the downside stands approximately, as I suggest, somewhere in 1618, or maybe where is here. You can see approximately of the shoulder is 1618 extension. If I measure from this top to this bottom, I would suggest that this will be the shoulder. In this case, it probably will be approximately the same area. So this is very close to the normal head and shoulders ratio, when the shoulder stands 1618 to the head. And what is more important is that at the top of the head here, we have the acceleration. This is a very good sign. So let's keep this in. Keep in mind this possible pattern that we could get. Head and shoulders pattern. This could become left shoulder, head, and right shoulder should be formed. It means that once market will hit 85, maybe even higher level, so somewhere between 85 and 10,000, this should be neckline of the pattern. We could get the deep retracement, or approximately to this 70, even maybe 65 again, to form the right shoulder. That's approximately that we will keep an eye on the weekly chart. On the lower time frames, we also have something that could be traded. So first of all, market right now stands at the resistance on the daily chart. Take a look at we've got this A, B, C bottom OP target. Market hits the daily overbought at OP. It means that here we could get some pullback. There's two levels to watch for. First one is the 65.84. Next one is 60 even approximately. This is confidence support on the daily. And what is more important is that, guys, this level actually coincides with the natural support resistance that has been broken. So market after the breakout, market after the breakout could turn down and retest this area. It's also possible. But taking into consideration overall speed of the upward acceleration right to the OP target, it means that next target will be XOP, it's 1618 extension, and as retracement will be over, market probably will continue upward action. Finally, on the intraday charts, there are a few setups that we have. First of all, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have clear bread and butter buy by the Judd Napoli. We have thrust up, close below 3 by 3 and hitting major support at 30%. It means that market should complete 618 pullback here. That is the setup that we have on the Bitcoin market. What will happen after that? It's still a question. So, but taking in consideration market that overbought on a daily, it's more probable that we could get a kind of the AB equals CD retracement. Just to complete the deep retracement on the daily chart. That's more probable. It means that on hourly chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, to complete this bread and butter, we could keep an eye on this pattern. So market could form Gartner's triple to sell right to 72, 73, even approximately 618 resistance could be hit. By this action, market will complete the bread and butter on the 4-hour time frame chart, and that creates the background for a possible larger A, B, C, top, D retracement. So that's the setups that we have on Bitcoin. It's after the long time market starts to generate a lot of trading setups, and that's really very interesting. So that being said, we keep bullish view on the weekly and daily chart, but since market stands on the overbought daily, it means that it could spend some time in a retracement and a reasonable pullback before the upward continuation.